at the end of our last topic on Hinduism, we talked about the four questions as the Hindus might answer them. And I think you'll see some things that are the same, and of course some things that are different when we try to answer those same four questions for the Buddhist tradition. So question number one, of course, is what is the structure of time? And again, in a similar way as in Hinduism, Buddhists would say that time is basically a circle, right? Samsara is the wheel of time. But at the same time, one could also think of this idea of a spiral, of people moving slowly up the spiral towards nirvana, or moving down if you do not follow Dharma correctly. So I think those things are very similar between Hinduism and Buddhism. In the second, though, can humans predict the future? The answer to that is, in general, I think, no. Because though we are living out our Dharma, we are trying to follow the rules of Buddhism, we can never really be sure what's going to happen next. We can't be sure how we will be reincarnated. Will we be a prince? Will we be a bug? Will we be ourselves all over again? How we do that, or what is going to happen, we cannot really predict. But also, like in Hinduism, though we cannot predict our future, we can control our future. We can control our future by fulfilling our own Dharma, right? If we live the right life, if we live with right work and right thought and right eating and right attitude, we will fulfill our Dharma. We can do so as just regular people or perhaps monks, but we can change our own future. We can make our own future happen. So then that leaves that fourth question, is time external, internal, or both? And I think we have to say it's both, because there is this external time that's happening. There is the wheel of time of samsara, but we have a control that you might not think of in other religious traditions because of the idea of dharma and karma. So we are controlling our destiny even if we don't know it. And we can control our own selves, our own bodies, through meditation in a way that will help us to move away from the cares of this world, away from the cares of the cravings, I guess is a better word, of the suffering that comes from craving. We can do that ourselves. That's part of what we can do in our own bodies to move us towards nirvana. So there's a way in which time is both external and internal in the Buddhist tradition.